Copying and pasting effects in Illustrator should be simple, right? But there's one small step you might be missing. In today's video, I'll show you a quick trick on how to transfer effects seamlessly between objects. I'm Omar and you're watching QuickTips tutorials. Let's say you took your time and created this cool effect on your text and you wanted to copy that on another text. Let's check the appearance panel on that text. You notice that there are multiple fills with different kinds of effects. So what you would normally do is just select the other text, go to the eyedropper and click on the cool text, and well, nothing really happens. It didn't apply the effects and it also changed the font style. The better way of doing this is double click on the eyedropper, check the appearance on both sides, and make sure you uncheck the character style so we would keep our font there. Click OK and take a sample. This of course doesn't only work on text, it works on shapes as well. Let's select this logo here, sample with the eyedropper, click, and there you go. There is another way, however. If you click the layers panel, expand those, and you notice I have this cool text layer here. So I click on the circle, click Alt on Windows, Option on Mac, and drag it to the desired layer. And there you go. But this method would be really confusing if you have a lot of layers. And that's it. With this easy trick, you can copy and paste effects in Illustrator like a pro. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.